Welcome to Miss Kate Cuttable's 1 Minute Make. Today we are doing a 1 minute make on a Silhouette Cameo in Designer Edition at the request of Glenda. She asked if we could do one on the Cameo. So this is for Glenda. What I'm doing right now is setting up the layers because the Silhouette software does not auto coordinate your layers like in the Cricut. So you have to go through and create your own layers. And then you have to make sure they're all going to cut with the settings you want, and then you have to insert pauses. But it works really well if you go through the steps to set them up. And it is nice that you have control over things that Cricut just takes control of. So you can see I moved everything and I am using 5 different colors. There's 3 reds, a white, and a gray. I set up the layers to cut together. I used scraps so I didn't have to waste full sheets of paper. And it will pause automatically so you can swap the mat and color. So look at the BBH in action. I'm actually the one that did all of the research to figure out what needed to be done to develop the BBH. I had help getting it manufactured, but the BBH is my baby and it works really well. I'm actually planning a video dedicated just to the BBH so we can go over settings. I can show you some tricks so everyone can have the most success with it. So if you want to see a BBH video, comment below. Our mats work great also. The 12x12s and the 12x24s are great mats. They are universal fit for machines. So if you see the width, they're the perfect width for the Cameo, and they will work in the Cricut machine. You just have to center them yourselves. So that's why they're the width that they are, but they still work awesome in both machines. Now go to putting this together. Now what I thought was really cool, and I had looked at this white layer and it was all a wavy white line. I wasn't sure how I was going to line it up, but wouldn't you know it, Kate made the left edges of the white and gray layer perfectly straight, and so you just line them up on the left, and then the right side that's all wavy doesn't matter. I'm just adjusting the way I have the layers put together right there because I wanted it to be a little different because it's my fault. I fixed it. So this candy cane can be found on MissKateCuttables.com. It is the freebie for November 8th, 2018. That night around midnight it will go to the 50-cent section and it will be a file you have to purchase, so it's free today. Purchase tomorrow and from then on. Keep tuning in and subscribe and like, and we will keep doing 1 minute makes. I'm going to start doing them for a while because I'm having fun doing it. So anyway, thanks for watching.